Baked polenta is one of the most beloved preparations of traditional Italian cuisine, especially popular in the northern regions. This dish, simple yet flavorful, lends itself to numerous variations, thanks to the possibility of enriching it with ingredients like cheeses, cured meats, or vegetables. In this version, the polenta is cooked, sliced, and baked to become crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Ingredients: 500 grams of cornmeal for polenta, 2 liters of water, salt, 200 grams of fontina or taleggio cheese, 100 grams of grated parmesan cheese, butter to grease the baking dish, pepper, and aromatic herbs, optional. Preparation: start by preparing the polenta. Bring 2 liters of water to a boil in a large pot and add a pinch of salt. Pour the cornmeal into the boiling water in a thin stream, stirring continuously with a whisk to prevent lumps. Reduce the heat and continue cooking the polenta over low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon for about 40 to 50 minutes, or until the polenta pulls away from the sides of the pot. Once the polenta is cooked, pour it onto a lightly greased baking dish or work surface and spread it out to form an even layer about 1 to 2 centimeters thick. Let it cool until it solidifies. When the polenta is cold and firm, cut it into slices of your preferred size. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and lightly grease a baking sheet with butter. Arrange the polenta slices on the baking sheet in a single layer, overlapping slightly if necessary. Distribute the cheese cut into cubes or thin slices over the polenta and sprinkle with grated parmesan. If desired, season with a bit of pepper and some aromatic herbs like rosemary or thyme. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese has melted and the surface of the polenta is golden and crispy. Remove from the oven and let rest for a few minutes before serving. Serve the baked polenta hot, either directly in the baking dish or transferred with a spatula to a serving plate. Curiosities: polenta is a historic dish rooted in Italian peasant cuisine. Traditionally, this dish was prepared over a wood fire and stirred for a long time to achieve the perfect consistency. In some regional variations, it is common to find baked polenta further enriched with meat, ragu, mushrooms, or, during festive occasions, with richer additions such as sausage and bacon.